Ever wondered if those free credit score websites are actually worth it? I mean, we all see the ads, promising to boost your score, unlock better rates, and generally make your financial life easier. But does it actually work? Specifically, can Credit Karma improve your credit score? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we jump into Credit Karma specifically, let's take a step back and understand what a credit score actually is. It's essentially a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess how likely you are to repay a loan. A higher score means you're seen as a lower risk, which can translate to better interest rates on loans and credit cards. Several factors influence your credit score, and these are often referred to as the 5 Cs of credit. Payment history, this is the most significant factor. It shows how consistently you've made payments on past debts. Late payments can seriously damage your score. Amounts owed, credit utilization, this refers to the amount of credit you're currently using compared to your total available credit. Ideally, you want to keep this below 30%. Maxing out your credit cards can negatively impact your score. Length of credit history, the longer you've had credit accounts open, the better. This demonstrates a longer track record of responsible credit management. New credit, opening multiple new credit accounts in a short period can lower your score, as it can suggest financial instability. Credit mix, having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can be beneficial. Now, where does Credit Karma fit into all of this? Credit Karma is a free credit monitoring service that provides you with access to your credit reports from 2 of the major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. It also offers credit scores based on the VantageScore 3.0 model. It's important to understand a key point here. Credit Karma itself does not directly improve your credit score. It's a tool that allows you to monitor your credit and identify potential issues. Think of it like a dashboard for your credit health. It shows you the information that influences your score, allowing you to take action. So, how can using Credit Karma indirectly help you improve your credit score? Monitoring for errors, credit reports aren't always perfect. They can contain errors that negatively affect your score. Credit Karma allows you to regularly check your reports for inaccuracies, such as incorrect late payments or accounts that don't belong to you. By identifying and disputing these errors, you can improve your score. Understanding credit utilization, Credit Karma shows you your credit utilization ratio. This helps you understand how much of your available credit you're using. If you see that your utilization is high, you can take steps to pay down your balances and improve your score. Tracking progress, as you make positive changes to your credit habits, such as making on-time payments and reducing your credit utilization, Credit Karma allows you to track your progress. Seeing your score gradually improve can be motivating and reinforce good financial behavior. Learning about credit factors, Credit Karma provides educational resources that explain the different factors that influence your credit score. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your credit management. Alerts and notifications, Credit Karma can send you alerts about important changes to your credit report, such as new accounts being opened or changes in your credit utilization. This allows you to stay on top of your credit and address any potential issues promptly. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations of Credit Karma. VantageScore versus FICO, Credit Karma uses the VantageScore 3.0 model, while many lenders use the FICO score. While these scoring models are generally correlated, they can produce different scores. Don't be surprised if the score you see on Credit Karma differs from the score a lender uses. Not all bureaus, Credit Karma provides reports from TransUnion and Equifax, but not Experian. It's a good idea to check your reports from all 3 bureaus periodically to get a complete picture of your credit health. You can get free copies of your reports annually from annualcreditreport.com. It's a monitoring tool, not a credit repair service. Credit Karma provides information and tools to help you manage your credit, but it doesn't directly repair your credit. If you have significant credit problems, such as bankruptcies or collections, you may need to seek professional help from a credit counselor or credit repair specialist. So, can Credit Karma improve your credit score? No, not directly. But can it help you manage your credit and make informed decisions that lead to an improved score? Absolutely. It's a valuable tool for monitoring your credit health, identifying potential issues, and tracking your progress. By using it effectively, you can take control of your credit and work towards a better financial future. It's important to remember that improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort to build good credit habits. There are no quick fixes or magic solutions. Tools like Credit Karma can be helpful along the way, but ultimately, it's your responsible financial behavior that will make the biggest difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.